Look at this question, sir. Cat replica based question. Read the question. This question is based on analytical reasoning, analytical reasoning based question, analytical reasoning based question. First read the question. A beautiful question. I have seen it in one of the mocks where half-page solution is there. Just listen carefully. I will try to solve this question right just by using common sense. First read the question. First read the question, sir. Third caselet based on analytical reasoning. Analytical reasoning. There are 4 persons: Mohit, Manohar, Prashant and Dinesh. There are 4 people: Mohit, Manohar, Prashant and Dinesh. Okay, the first step is clear. 4 people, each had some initial money with them. They got some initial money with them. They were all playing bridge in such a way that the lower doubled the money. Lower doubled the money of each of the other 3 persons from his side. Right? So lower will double the money of each of the other 3 persons from his share. They played how many rounds? 4 rounds. This is round 1. This is round 2. This is round 3. And this is after round 4. After round 4. In LR and DI, first thing is read the question. First thing is read the question. Somewhere you will find the root cause of the problem. Somewhere we will find the root cause of the problem. Listen carefully, sir. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. At the end of 4th round, each person had 32,000. Mohit got 32,000. Manohar got 32,000. Prashant got 32,000. And Dinesh got 32,000. This is the end of 4th round. Right. There is another key point. They played 4 rounds. Each person lost 1 round. That means during first round, first person lost. During second round, second person lost. During third round, third person lost. During 4th round, 4th person lost. Now see here, because I know at the end of 4th round, I will not come from the top, I will do the bottom up parsing. If I do the bottom up approach, I will get the answer in a single step. I will get the answer in a single step. Now see here, during 4th round, who will lose? 4th person will lose. I will circle mark. If a person is going from round 3 to round 4, it is a double. If a person is going from round 4 to round 3, it is half. So it is 16K. It is also 16K. This is also 16K. At the end of every round, the sum will remain the same. Only the money circulation will happen. 32 4s are 128. 16 3s are 48. So this is nothing but 80K. This is nothing but 80K. Again I am explaining. Listen carefully. During 4th round, 4th person will lose. During 4th round, 4th person will lose. If he loses it, right? So moving from R3 to R4 is double. Moving from R4 to R3 is, now see here, it is half. 16, 16, 16, 80. This 4th person enters into the 4th round. So he loses it. When he loses it, he makes a double of other 3 players. 16 is 32, 16 is 32, 16 is 32. Remaining is 32. I hope it is clear. Similarly, during third person, third third round, third person will lose. If a third person loses, going from R3 to R2, it is 8K. Here also it is 8K. Here also it is 40K. R2 to R3 is a double. R3 to R2 is half. So remaining will be 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 40, 56. 56 means this will be 72. Total sum should always be 1,28,000. Total sum should always be 1,28,000. Now in the second round, second person will lose. If a second person loses, remaining it will be half, 4K, 36K, and this is 20K. So remaining will be 4 plus 30 is 40, 40 plus 20 is 60, so remaining will be 68K. I hope it is clear. During the first round, first person will lose. If the first person loses, remaining will be half, 34K, next it is 18K, next it is 10K. 34 plus 18, 42, 42 plus 10, 52, 52 means remaining is 66K. How beautifully you can solve this question by taking bottom-up approach. 66, 34, 18, 10. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Just at the end of fourth round, values are given. Instead of me coming from R1 to R4, I am coming from R4 to R1. R4 to R1. 32, 32. Again, second time explaining. 32, 32, 32. 32. 16, 16, 16. 16, 16, 16. 80. Next one, 8K. During fourth round, fourth person will lose. If he loses, others will be doubled. Coming from R4 to R3, it will be half. This is 8K, 8K, 40K, 72K. I hope it is clear, right, sir? 4K. Please take an image of this value, sir. Otherwise, again, we have to write. All the questions can be solved by using this diagram. The diagram is completely filled.